Welcome to our deep dive into the world of education, brought to you by UpKeep. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder. In this video, we'll uncover fascinating facts and figures from the education industry, both in the United States and around the globe. We'll be exploring a wide spectrum of topics, from the number of schools in the U.S. to the age Finnish children start school, and even how the school year cycles in the Southern Hemisphere. We'll also touch upon the connection between education and earnings and how school facilities maintenance can impact a student's educational journey. So, let's jump right in. Did you know that education is a wide and diverse field, filled with fascinating statistics and facts? Let's dive right into some of these intriguing details about the education industry. Let's start with the United States. Did you know that there are 98,150 public schools and 34,576 private schools in the U.S.? That's a lot of learning. And the largest school district? It's in New York City, with a whopping 981,667 students enrolled. And let's not forget about homeschooling. In the United States, approximately 1,689,726 students are homeschooled at different levels of education. Now let's take a trip around the world. In Finland, children start school at age 7, and, interestingly enough, these children do excellently in international testing competitions. Moving over to Norway, every school is completely free to attend, even for people from different countries. Now, if we hop over to China, we find that Chinese students have the most homework of students worldwide at 14 hours a week. Did you know that many schools in the Southern Hemisphere have their summer break during the traditional winter months? And in Canada, schools typically teach lessons in both English and French, as people speak both languages throughout the country. French students have the shortest school year and the longest school day in the world. And in Holland, students start school on their 4th birthday, which means that children start school all through the year. Now let's talk about education and earnings. Generally speaking, each additional year of schooling increases the individual's earnings by up to 10%. However, around 1 in 4 young people in low-income nations are illiterate. And in general, girls in developing countries have a much harder fight for education than boys face. Finally, let's discuss improving education. Education is on the rise across the globe, but we as humans have a lot farther to go. School facilities maintenance impacts the physical, educational, and financial foundation of the school organization and therefore the students. However, most school maintenance in America is dramatically lower than what is actually needed by the facilities in question. And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of education. We've explored the vast and varied field of education, from the number of schools in the U.S. to the age Finnish children start school, and even how the school year cycles in the Southern Hemisphere. We've also discussed the connection between education and earnings, and how school facilities maintenance can impact a student's educational journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video informative and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more resources and tools to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.